Alright, so here we have the conclusion of what broke and needed repair to the Xterra. Again, this is for a 2011 Nissan Xterra. Right here you can see this is kind of, I don't know, not looking too good there. This here, this part, yeah, bolt there was looking kind of bad. Apparently the manifold here for the catalytic converter is what broke off. Yes, it literally broke off. That's what was making that messed up noise. Yeah, that right there. And as you can see, again, yeah, right here. So that is what that was. Feel free to comment, question, anything.